To enable the touchpad on Windows 11 without using a mouse, press the Windows key plus S on your keyboard, which will open the search panel. Type Touchpad Settings in the search bar, and press Enter to access the settings. If the touchpad option is not already selected, use the Tab key to navigate to it. The Tab key is located 2 buttons below the Escape key in the top left of your keyboard. Once the touchpad option is selected, indicated by a white border, press Enter. Then, press the Tab key again to navigate to the Reset button, and press Enter once more. You may be prompted to enter your admin password, so do so if required. After completing these steps, your touchpad should be enabled. Even if the on-screen display does not immediately update, you can test the touchpad by using it to navigate and click on items on your screen.